Hello, America. A small history of the United States. In God we trust. In years 1776, 87, 91, 1798, America's power begun. The founding fathers truly did believe that God's message was a must. Paper currency stated and said, "In God we trust." In year 1776, independence declared. 1787, Constitution voted in with care. 1791, the Bill of Rights didn't just happen overnight. In 1798, clearly recognized as a world power. I'm talking about the United States. The heart of the righteous studies how to answer. Iron sharpens iron. Where there's no vision, the people perish. My God said, let us get it right before it's time to say goodnight to this small, short, and precious life. Jesus baptized, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Definitely a must. In God we trust. Now, June 25th, 1962, prayer taken from the school, separation of church and state, originated from a personal letter written by Thomas Jefferson, whom there was no other, had nothing to do with the writing of the Constitution or the Bill of Rights. He wasn't even a founding father. The Supreme Court dredged up his letter, year 1947, First Amendment erected wall separation of church and state. By year 1958, the term became so popular, the Supreme Court warned if talk continued, the American public would come to the conclusion that it was part of the Constitution. Prayer outlawed in the public schools, the court gave not one legal rule. The American dream started to die. Now, 30 years later, 800% escalated violent crime, divorce rates shot up, incidents of sexually unmarried couples living together, shocking. Something has gone wrong. Yes, we have been living in lust. Where has? In God we trust. Let us not return back to the dust before giving our life to Jesus. In God we trust.